Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. This version 6GB memory and 128GB ROM memory, purple color, open box and look completion. Device 108 megapixels camera, 5500 mAh battery with quick turbocharge, MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. Okay. Open box, and in completion we have only cable and protected back cover and key for SIM slot, of course. Okay. On this side, power button and volume buttons, triple camera on the back side, Type-C speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards on this side, without controls, upside headphones jack, speaker, okay, and open settings. We have Android 14, Xiaomi HyperOS version 1.0.4, okay, and open Geekbench 6. Single core score, multi-core score results, GPU test results, and look Antutu benchmark results. Very good results for this price, device. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.